In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Stripe account effectively, especially focusing on managing your product catalog. We'll dive into the basics of accessing your product details and retrieving important information like the price ID and secret API keys, which are crucial for integrating Stripe with your other applications. First things first, we need to start by heading over to your Stripe account. If you're not already logged in, now's the time to do so. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to locate the Product Catalog section. This is where all of your current products are listed. If you already have products set up, great. Go ahead and select the one you're interested in by simply clicking on it. But if you don't have any products listed, don't worry. Stripe makes it incredibly easy to create a new one. Just click the option to add a new product and follow the prompts they provide. After selecting your product, you'll want to shift your attention to the Pricing section. Click on the price listed to explore further. This is where you'll find some key information like the price ID, which is located towards the top right corner of your screen. This ID is essential, especially when you want to integrate your product with other platforms or handle payments programmatically. Now let's move on to retrieving your secret API key, another vital piece of information when working with Stripe's APIs. You'll want to navigate to the Developers tab found in your dashboard. Once there, click on API Keys. Here you'll see both your public key and, more importantly, your secret key. Remember, your secret key is sensitive information, so handle it with care and ensure it's not exposed or shared carelessly. Once you've got your price ID and API keys, you've completed the essential steps required for your product setup on Stripe. Having these details at hand will streamline your processes, whether you're setting up transactions, connecting Stripe to other business tools, or managing your sales seamlessly. And there you have it. You're done. With these straightforward steps, you've now acquired the necessary information to enhance your Stripe setup. This process should now be clear enough to guide you through any future changes or additions you want to make to your product catalog. Remember, organizing and managing your digital store can help your business significantly, providing smooth operations and better customer experiences. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy Stripe managing.